Just the word leukemia itself made me so afraid. Ito ang bahagi ng madamdaming post sa Instagram ni Zoe Taberna, ang panganay na anak ng broadcaster na si Anthony Taberna. Si Zoe ay 12 years old at kasalukuyang nakikipaglaban sa sakit na leukemia. Ang leukemia ayon sa healthline.com is a cancer of the blood cells. Kahapon nga, December 2, eksaktong isang taon matapos siyang ma-diagnose na may leukemia. Ibinahagi ni Zoe sa Instagram ang kanyang saloobin sa pakikipaglaban sa sakit na ito sa murang edad. Panimula niya, I can't believe it's already been a year. 1 year ago, today I was rushed to the hospital at 2 a.m. because I couldn't walk and my legs were so painful. We had no idea on what was happening to me. Katulad ng ikinwento ng kanyang ama sa Instagram post nito, ang buong akala ni Zoe ay simpleng karamdaman lamang ito hanggang sa lumabas ang resulta ng test na isinagawa sa kanya at nalamang mayroon siyang leukemia. Lahad pa ni Zoe, at first we thought I have a problem with my bones, but after running multiple tests, I was diagnosed with bone marrow disease which ended up to be leukemia. Dito na raw parang gumuho ang mundo noong 11 years old pa lamang na si Zoe. I was very scared. Just the word leukemia itself made me so afraid. Especially since I had to undergo chemotherapy, I needed to chop off all my hair, and that made me very insecure and sad all the time. Kahit may takot na nararamdaman, hindi ito naging dahilan upang panghinaan siya ng loob. Hinarap ni Zoe ang laban sa kanyang karamdaman ng may positibong pag-iisip. Pagkukwento pa ng bata, I really thought my life would already end there. But no, I stayed strong and did my best. Kasunod nito, pinasalamatan naman ni Zoe ang mga taong kasama niya sa kanyang laban sa sakit na leukemia. Ayon pa kay Zoe, I want to say thank you to everyone who helped me, first to Dr. Alan Racho, along with other doctors and nurses who handles me in the hospital. I also want to say thank you, my friends. Thank you, Enzo, Julius, Gian, Clive, Dillon, Rashid, Leia, Razel, Aryan, Margox, Clara, and Sam. There's a lot more, but I can't mention you all. Ha ha ha. For always comforting me and trying your best to not make me feel left out, especially when I just studied from home because I wasn't allowed to go to school. Thanks also for always making me cuento and always giving time for me even if you guys are busy. Thank you also to my family and family friends for always sending love and prayers to me. Thank you din po for always caring for me and making me happy. I also want to thank Ate Ana who took care for me ever since I was a baby and still takes care of me until now. Si Zoe ang panganay na anak ni Anthony at ng negosyanteng si Rosel Taberna. Ang kanyang mga magulang ang naging giya ni Zoe upang labanan ang sakit niya. Kaya naman malaki ang pasasalamat niya sa mga ito. Minsahin niya, next I want to thank my parents. Thank you mom and dad for helping me always. Thank you for listening to me when I am having a hard time. Thank you for working hard for me and our whole family. I know you have problems now but I'm sure you will overcome them very soon. Kasunod namang pinasalamatan ni Zoe ang kanyang nakababatang kapatid na si Helga. Aniya pa, I also want to thank my sister Helga. I know I always fight and argue with you, but I hope you know that I am very grateful for you. Thank you for taking care of me when I'm not feeling well. Thank you for listening to me when I am overthinking or when I am having a hard time expressing my feelings. Thank you din for always having my back. Hindi naman nakalimutang pasalamatan ni Zoe ang Diyos at ang pinuno ng Iglesia ni Kristo. At sabi pa nito, lastly and most importantly, I want to say thank you to God for guiding me and helping me throughout all hardships I have been through. Like our executive minister, Ka Eduardo Manalo, said when he prayed for me, God will heal me, and he really did. I am a lot better now than I was before. Special thanks din po kay Caromel and Tita Jen dahil araw-araw niyo po akong pinapahiran ng langis. Sa huli, sinabi ni Zoe na marami siyang natutunan sa kanyang labang ito. Nagpasalamat din siya sa mga taong nagdasal para sa kanyang paggaling. This has been very difficult, but I have learned a lot from this experience. Again, thank you all for caring for me and for supporting me. I couldn't have done it without you all. Thank you for making me feel love and for helping me stay strong. I love you all so much. Stay safe, everyone. Bumuhos naman ang dasal sa social media mula sa mga netizens at celebrities na nakisimpatya kay Zoe sa kanyang pinagdadaanan. Ito ang dahilan kaya dinagsa ang pamilya Taberna ng mga dasal at mensahe ng moral support mula sa mga nagmamalasakit sa kanila, kabilang ang mga taong hindi nila personal na kilala. Bago pa isiwalat ni Katunying sa publiko ang karamdaman ni Zoe, nauna nang nag-post ang misis niyang si Rosel sa Facebook page nito kahapon 4:10 p.m. Dito ay ibinahagi niya ang tungkol sa pinakamalaking pagsubok na pinagdaraanan ng kanilang pamilya at ang revelasyon tungkol sa kanyang guilt na nararamdaman. Pinapurihan din ni Rochelle ang katapangan ng kanyang panganay na anak sa kabila ng sakit na nararanasan nito. Saad niya, takot na takot ako. Pero napakatapang mo. You don't even complain and it hurts me even more. Kahit alam ko na masakit, you tried to stay calm because you didn't want us to worry. Ni ayaw mo nga kaming gisingin ni daddy mo pag madaling araw when you want to pee dahil ayaw mo kaming maabala. 'Cause you know we're always tired. Sobrang bait mo, anak. Nananalig din si Rochelle na gagaling si Zoe. I know a lot of you do not know what really happened to Zoe. Ang iba naman, especially our friends, would always say parang wala naman kayong pinagdadaanan and I will just stay quiet. Alam ko kasi sa puso ko, anak, na pinagagaling ka na niya. At buo ang tiwala ko sa Diyos na dininig niya na ang ating mga panalangin at ang araw-araw nating pagpapahid ng langis. Inisa-isang pinasalamatan din ni Rochelle ang mga taong tumutulong at patuloy na binibigyan sila ng suporta. Sobrang nakakadurog ng puso ang ipinahayag ni Zoe Taberna. Ano man ang inyong reaksyon o komento, huwag mahiyang mag-comment sa video na ito. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at i-click po ang bell notification para lagi kayong una sa mga susunod pang videos.